Hello, Buildspace. This is a week 5. Everything is getting crazy. I'm building an AI-powered brain MRI analysis and the management system. Or in the simple terms, it's a CoMedAI and AI-powered mobile application to generate, manage, and report brain MRI observations. Let me show you the website. This is an old website. Imagine a place where brain MRI examinations are smoother and more accurate. You can see this was just okay, we are moving here. Check this out. I redesigned the entire UI. As you can see here, now we have a navigation, small description, we have an email, get updates just every day. And we have a terms, privacy, about, and the main thing, we have a LinkedIn, the social network. Just click this, click on the follow. Comed is a software development company. We believe innovative software can revolutionize the healthcare industry by enhancing the accuracy of diagnosis and integrating seamlessly into hospital and the clinic workflows. We contribute to better patient care by fostering a supportive community among healthcare professionals and the patients worldwide, leading to improved medical outcomes and more interconnected healthcare systems. When you click on a product, you see 3 products, CoMedAI and the CoMedAI 2.0. This is upgraded version of CoMedAI and the Medicord. Let's see the CoMedAI. Here we go. Let me introduce CoMedAI. CoMedAI 1.0 is out with a new UI. Just click this, try it out, and download the Android APK, install on your Android device and try it out. Here you can see the credentials, or you can just create an account, just click on sign up. Give me feedbacks, email them to this email, your suggestions, everything, just message. The easiest way to generate, manage, and report medical data, enhances diagnosis accuracy and streamlines workflows for radiologists. Simplicity and flexibility at its core. CoMedAI is designed to be simple and easy to use, yet powerful and flexible. Easy add observations. Simply fill out the observation form and then generate diagnostic conclusions with advanced AI. Utilize cutting-edge AI technology for accurate diagnostics. You can generate and manage observations on the go. Access and manage observations conveniently from your mobile device, anywhere. And last but not least, generate concise and well-formatted reports. Create reports with a professional and easy to read format. Let's move on. You want a full design? Just click on the Discord design. Okay, how to use CoMedAI. Here's the YouTube video how to use CoMedAI. I explained everything. CoMedAI application. First, let's move on. How CoMedAI works inside. In this video, I explained the whole system design.
Chief of Hospital registers organization for signing to ethics and model will return the conclusion.
Okay, but you can see this by discover system design. Yeah, here we go. Okay, how accurate is the model? As you can see here in the image, the best model is GPT 3.5 fine-tuned. That actually is our model. All the evaluations based on GPT-4o evaluation, the model has been evaluated on our 10 brain MRI observations and has surpassed the performance of GPT-4o, the latest and advanced model by OpenAI. This is open source. Click GitHub and access the files, folders, everything. Okay, and here is the quick demo how I benchmark using GPT-4o.
So
this is also open source.
You can use ChatGPT. You can see it.
Yeah, here's everything. And it's open source. Just click on the learn more. It opens up the document where you can find just everything: description, LinkedIn, business plan, presentations, YouTube videos, GitHub, just everything. We also have careers. Just stay tuned, follow us on LinkedIn. We have also news. We have a lot of news. Just stay tuned and follow us on LinkedIn. And for investors, if you want to learn more, just hit over here. If you want to see the business plan, just hit over here. It opens the new document where you can find everything: executive summary, financial plan, projections, profits, charts, bar charts, just everything from profits, everything. Don't forget to enter your email and click on get updates. See you on a build space.